Morning everybody, afternoon, whatever it is, evening. Yeah, I meant to do a video yesterday of that, what's it called? Slow cooker from Asda. Unboxed it and it's all broke. So that wrecked that day up. So it's all got to go back. All the handles, you know, the inside part, all the handles and that are snapped. So it's going back. So I've never done a video. And today we're catching up on a load of washing and tumble dry stuff. Got to try and catch up, we're getting behind. Otherwise I'll have to go down to the laundrette. That's the problem when you do videos, sometimes things get a bit neglected and we just got to catch up. So I thought today I'll go into town while the washing machine's on and the tumble dryer's on. I mean, can't really record while that's all on. And I'll have a mooch around. And I'm just going to pick up some things maybe for a taste test. Remember Joel mentioned these noodles, shim noodles from B&M or something. I'm going to have a look at them. I'm going to see if the fishman's there. I might get some fish for a video the weekend or something. And we just have a mooch and have a look and see what's going on. Yeah, so I thought I'd take you into town and have a look, see what's what. And also a little shout out to little Oscar and Ollie. How are you? Watch my videos. Think I'm funny. Yeah, so let's pop into town and see what's about. I'm in Greg's. I'm all on my own today. Nat's in the house, she's got the sniffles still. So that's why I thought I'd pop out as well. Yes, I'm in Greg's. I got myself a coffee, well, cappuccino. I got myself a few bits and bobs. I'm not going to show you what I got yet. You have to wait and see. The fishman's there. I haven't been to have a look yet. But he is there. I don't know if he's got anything left this time. Usually early I'm the fishman. Let me show you what I got here from Greg's. I know I don't usually have anything from Greg's, but Nat does, but I usually just have a coffee. But I got some while I'm sitting here. Let me show you. Got me coffee. Well, cappuccino. I've got some of these. Never had these before. From there. Hot to go potato wedges. £1.25. Are they any good? Don't know. We're going to find out, ain't we? Let's open them up somehow. There they are. It's a sharing box, but they're quite a few, don't you? For £1.25. Yeah. Well, let's have a little taste of them. Let's have a taste of them. With the tomato ketchup. Shouldn't have got tomato ketchup. I'm going to get this all down my white top. I know 100% I am. I have to walk around with tomato ketchup on me now. Might have to be like a baby. Cover myself. People will be looking at me going, ain't they? Let's try them again. I'll do them a bit crunchier. Hey mate.
Are you like reviews and stuff?
Hey?
What are you doing?
We're vlogging.
Oh, sir, got reviews and stuff or just your day to day?
Just made for my YouTube channel.
Oh, sir, what's your YouTube channel?
Old Food Guy.
Old Food Guy. I'll check you out.
Yeah, yeah, check us out, mate. Yeah.
I'll give you a subscribe.
Yeah, I'll just do basic cooking and all that.
Oh, yeah.
Cheap budget foods and
Old
all
Food
that.
Guy.
Yeah.
Come on, I'll give you a subscribe.
Yeah. Getting along and doing what we're doing, like, you know what I mean?
Have a good day anyway.
Take care, lads. Some lads are going to subscribe to me, some builders. Yeah, do with the skin's a bit crunchy, but they ain't bad for £1.25. Look, I'll wallet with this on. That ain't a bad coffee actually. Last few times we've come here, it's been really flat, so we stopped coming. But that ain't bad today. Oh, I will go and eat these. I'm going to have a look at the fish, man. Go back, put some more washing in the washing machine. And I've got to say, I've got something for a video later. Well, it'll be at the end of this video, right? I'll show you. Got a couple of bits for today and tomorrow. And, yeah. I got them. No, I'm not going to tell you what I got. You have to watch and see. Just all them. That's quite nice, actually. I just noticed the ingredients on the back as well. So let me show you. Look at this on me, look. It doesn't help, they've got all the sauce over me. Oh, Steve! How are you? Okay? Hey? No, I'm not live. I'm just doing a video, mate. Give me 2 seconds and I'll speak to you. There's the ingredients. Look, if anyone's interested. If you can see it, with all the sauce on it. Yeah. You're good? Yeah?
Yeah.
You see me cooking again, did you, mate? Fair play. These ain't bad. These ain't bad at all. Do you want a box? I'll get you a box. Do you want some? Potato wedges, can you eat them? No, they're not hot. They're not hot at all. No, it means hot, it means they're hot in the box. Do you want me to get you some? I'll grab you some, mate. Well, I've just been and got Steve some of them potato wedges. You know Steve in the wheelchair, bless him. And look, 4 boxes. 2 for £1.85. I didn't see that at first, but I got mine for £1.25. So 2 for £1.85 is good value, isn't it? There you go, Steve, mate.
I want him with my curry tomorrow.
Oh, you having it with your curry? You're going to take it home? Yeah? Red sauce? Do you want your red sauce?
Yeah, please. Have it with me.
Yeah, have it, mate. They're delicious, honestly. And I got one for Nat to take home to her. And the other couple for lunch.
You're not live, are you, today?
I'm not live today, mate, no. I'm not live. Take that red sauce for you. Have them tonight.
I see you live...
With a woman. Dressing as the woman.
I see you live the other day as well.
Oh, yeah,
Well,
yeah.
2 days ago.
Yeah, Wednesday, I think it was. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. What do you think of me dressed up as the woman then? Each to their own, eh?
You should come downtown a lot.
I know. I can't get a signal, can I? It's terrible in town for a signal.
I'm throwing signals are terrible. Throwing signals are terrible.
Yeah, it's terrible, isn't it? It's really bad. Yeah. Got something from the fish man. I'm not going to show you yet. I'll probably do that on a video tomorrow. Something I haven't had for a long time. So I'm looking forward to doing that one. Now we're off home now to put some more washing in and do that stuff. And then we'll do a little video. Got the busker there. Yeah, so I'll do what I've bought on the end of this one. Summit. So see you in a bit. And we're home, ready to cook. Let me show you what I bought and what we're going to have for tea. Curries from Iceland. Luxury curries. It says they're new. I don't know whether they're new or not. We don't go to Iceland often. So I got 3 and 3 for £10 or £3.75 each, I think it was. So 3 for a tenner. I've got a butter chicken curry. The lads can have that one. I've got a spicy chicken Balti. Nat's going to have that one. And I'm going to have an house special curry. Yeah, so it's all going to be done in the microwave. Butter chicken curry one. 8 minutes 30 seconds on 800 watt. That's what mine is. 5.5 minutes. Stir. Replace the lid for 3. There's all the ingredients. We're going to have a quick look. There's that one. Spicy chicken Balti. Same, 8 minutes 30. Ingredients, if you can see it. All the nutrition. And the house special. Where's the thing on this one? Nutrition, there it is. That's it. And with them, I'm going to have some rice, just some long grain rice, and some of these from Aldi. £1.49. Now then, so first things first, I want to get my rice on, because that once that's done, it can just stay warm in the pot, so that won't be a problem. I have already put a bit of salt in the water. And I've cleaned all my rice up. There it is, just in a bowl and swish it through. I just got to sieve it when that water's hot, boiling. Right guys, I'm going to start off with the butter chicken. There it is. We'll see. Massive pots in there, but not as much on the old curry. And you don't get the rice in there, so. That one's going to go in for 5.5 minutes first. Water's boiling for the rice. So we'll get the rice in. So I've already salted it. One stir. And we'll let that do its thing, and then that can sit and rest. There's the spicy Balti one. We'll have a look at that one. There you go. Looks similar to the other one, doesn't it? Says three peppers on that one. But we know what that means, don't we? That means it'll be mild. And we will have a look at the house special chicken strips, char siu pork, is that what it is? And king prawns in a spicy curry sauce, but only 2 peppers. I mean, you can't really say a lot at the minute, can you? Until they're cooked, you don't really know, do we? Naan breads are done. I didn't show you them, I've done them before on my channel. Stick them in the oven, bit of water on at the top there, sprinkle a bit on, a couple of minutes and you're done. And they are lovely, look. They're really nice, these ones are. Nice and soft. So I'm ready to dish up in about 2 minutes. Right, I'm just on my hand out, guys, I'm just going to dish up. I just thought I'd show you this. They are very, very runny, look. And they're all the same. Yeah. I've done them a bit thicker. A bit like soup. And I'm just going to show you the lads, because he's not eating it on camera, the butter chicken one. And I've just tried to taste a little bit of the sauce, and it's not too bad. A little bit sweet, but it's still sloppy. Look how sloppy it is. You know what I mean? Doesn't look very appetising. Mine doesn't anyway. Mine's all slopped on the plate. Let me show you. Look at it. It's far too runny. Far too runny. There's some wedges that I got from, I just put them on the side, warmed them back up in the air fryer that I got from Greg's. There's my naan. Can't even see my rice because all the thing I put in that's different. Look, that's not coming on, it's not feeling well.
It's very tomatoey.
Very tomatoey.
Yeah.
That looks a little bit better. Put a rice on the side.
It's very tomatoey.
Yours is a Balti.
Are these ones we used to get in the tins, or are they different? No, they're new.
They're new, it's like new. But hey, let's have a crack. It's all in the taste then, it's not how it looks, but...
It's nice, but it's just a little too tomatoey.
I've got my white top on still.
Is that the blue one? Do you want your blue one?
I've got an old one around.
You've got a blue one on the stairs, I think.
I'll do that. Let me change this. There we go. Ain't got to worry too much now. Yeah, let's have a go then. These are the prawns. I don't get many. I think I've seen 2.
3. One under your tip. That's all you get, 3.
Bit rubbery. There's the second one. There's one under my chip. Oh yeah, I've got 3.
One under your tip, got 3. Okay.
Very rubbery actually then. Chicken.
How much?
Well, pork that is.
How much were these?
Now it was 3 for a tenner. Now would you buy 3 for a tenner for the family? No, I wouldn't at all. It's supposed to be Iceland luxury.
The chicken's rubbery.
You can go up Aldi, you can get some chicken thighs or something for like £3. a jar of their Balti sauce or Madras sauce or something for just over £1. That's £4. An onion. So say a £5. And you feed the family and it'd be a lot more tasty than that. And you'd get more out of it as well. That's what I find with these frozen. They're very sweet, aren't they? You know, all the extra sweetness and...
Yeah. What's yours sweet, Dan?
Very sweet.
What should you have?
A house special curry. Supposed to be chicken, pork and prawns. And it's not the best at all. It's not the best. But I could eat it if I lived on my own. Do you know what I mean? If you had them in the freezer and that. But I wouldn't buy them for a family. Because even if there's 2 of you, you can get the stuff for £6.
No, you just said you'd rather go up Aldi and get the stuff. Or
And you can get it for £6 for a basic one, obviously. But that jar of sauce is nice with the seasoning and everything in it.
Nice, that one is.
You know what I mean? But on your own, if you lived on your own, as I say, and put them in the freezer as a meal, yeah. Make some rice or some packet rice. Yes, you could. You know what I mean? Because I could live off it if I lived on my own. You know what I mean? Instead of cooking. You know what I mean? Yeah.
You could if you lived on your own, but I wouldn't really.
It's not disgusting, is it? It's the flavours are there, but it's very sweet, and it's very sloppy. Well, I like my curry a bit thick. You know what I mean?
It was very tomatoey.
It was very tomatoey.
Yeah, very.
I didn't try that. So I tried the last before we took it, just had some of the sauce, and that was very sweet as well. But it's each to their own, isn't it? Let me know if you've had them, or if they are new and you've, you know, just say it's new again. I don't know. But there we go, something, weren't it? It's not a disgusting food, but it's nothing compared to my curry.
Sweet.
Yours sweet.
Mine's probably not as sweet as what yours and Damien's is, but I've just tasted the sauce on its own and it's very sweet. It's very tomatoey as well.
Yeah, so if you want a basic curry,
yeah,
you can cook basic curry in about 20 minutes. Easy. Fry the chicken, get it browned, get the sauce in, let it simmer, done. For a family.
Yeah.
But if you're on your own, then yeah, I'll get one. So I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. What were you going to mark that out of 10? Don't forget, it's not as a cooked meal, it's as a frozen meal.
As a frozen.
So you've got to remember it's frozen meal, right?
Right, I'll give it 7.5.
Yeah, I'd probably get a 7 as a frozen. Which I don't think's bad for a frozen, is it?
Because you get quite a lot in it.
And you get loads in there, don't you? You do get loads, you've got a plate full.
Because you get a plate full.
Yeah, so as a frozen, I'll get 7, that'll get 7.5. Which isn't bad, is it?
No.
So, see you later. Bye-bye.